Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best hair masks is probably one of the most crucial elements in achieving that luscious, healthy, and vibrant mane we all dream of, transforming dry, damaged strands into silky smooth perfection and providing a deep conditioning treatment that goes beyond your everyday conditioner, infusing your hair with essential nutrients and moisture to restore its natural beauty and resilience, making it a vital step in any comprehensive hair care routine for anyone seeking to revitalize and protect their locks from environmental stressors and heat styling. Number 5. K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. Introducing a breakthrough in hair care. This patented mask offers lasting repair for even the most compromised hair. Are you struggling with dryness and frizz? This product is designed to bring your hair back to life. Witness incredible results in just 4 minutes. It effectively reverses damage caused by chemical services and heat styling. Don't worry about your color. This mask provides repair without compromising your hair's vibrancy after bleaching or coloring. Utilizing patented molecular technology, it targets the core of hair damage. Get ready for healthier, stronger hair. This is the ultimate solution for damaged hair. It restores elasticity and strength, leaving your hair feeling renewed. What we like? This mask offers patented, lasting repair for dry, frizzy, and damaged hair. It reverses damage from chemical services and heat in just 4 minutes. If you have severely damaged hair from bleaching or coloring and need a quick, effective solution, this is the one for you. What people say. My hair felt noticeably softer, smoother, and much easier to manage. It also helped reduce frizz and made my hair look healthier and more hydrated. A small amount goes a long way, so the bottle lasts longer than you might think. It uses a bioactive peptide that reconnects broken keratin chains inside the hair shaft itself, which is something a deep conditioner cannot do. Number 4. Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. Introducing a deep conditioning treatment designed to strengthen and revitalize your hair. It's formulated to help repair damage and promote healthier growth. This powerful mask is enriched with biotin, honey, and coconut oil. These natural ingredients work together to nourish your strands from root to tip. Experience the difference as it helps encourage longer, healthier hair. Say goodbye to breakage and hello to vibrant, resilient locks. Give your damaged hair the intensive care it deserves. This treatment provides deep conditioning for a noticeable transformation. Unlock your hair's true potential with this strengthening formula. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine for ultimate health and beauty. What we like? Infused with biotin, honey, and coconut oil, this mask is designed to strengthen damaged hair. It helps encourage longer, healthier strands with its deep conditioning treatment. If you're looking for a natural approach to hair growth and strength, especially for those with brittle or thinning hair, this is a great choice. What people say. This hair mask is a game changer for dry and damaged hair, leaving it incredibly soft and manageable. The rich, creamy texture of the mask coats each strand effectively, providing deep nourishment without weighing hair down. After just one use, my hair felt noticeably stronger and looked much healthier, with a beautiful shine. Number 3. Pure Bali Hair Vitamins Moroccan Oil Capsules. Introducing Pure Bali Hair Vitamins, a revolutionary hair care solution designed for both women and men. Experience the ultimate nourishment for your locks. These capsules are enriched with the power of Moroccan oil, a time-tested ingredient known for its incredible benefits. It deeply conditions and revitalizes your hair. Infused with argan oil and avocado oil, our serum works to restore moisture and shine. Say goodbye to dryness and frizz, and hello to silky smooth hair. Whether your hair is frizzy, dry, or curly, these vitamins are perfect for you. They cater to all hair types, ensuring everyone can achieve healthy, beautiful hair. Packed with essential vitamins like A, E, and B5, these capsules provide a potent boost to your hair's health. They strengthen and protect your strands from root to tip. Each bottle contains 40 easy-to-use capsules, providing a convenient way to incorporate this powerful treatment into your routine. Enjoy lustrous hair with every dose. What we like? These capsules deliver Moroccan oil serum enriched with argan and avocado oils for all hair types. They provide essential vitamins like A, E, and B5 to combat frizz and dryness. If you have frizzy, dry, or curly hair and prefer a convenient, concentrated serum treatment, these capsules are ideal. What people say. Makes my hair shiny and looks healthier. There is no smell, very gentle on the scalp. Helps with flyaways. Keeps my hair soft and manageable all day. These capsules are great, made my hair feel silky and easy to comb through, and the smell is good. I applied this oil tonight and I am so happy. The oil smells amazing. It has a nostalgic floral Avon scent. It immediately made my hair feel soft and made my hair look shiny. Number 2. MAREE Deep Conditioning Hair Mask. Is your hair feeling dry and damaged? Our deep conditioning mask is here to help restore its natural vitality and strength. Infused with keratin, this treatment deeply hydrates your strands. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to soft, manageable hair. Nourish your scalp and encourage healthy hair growth. It's the perfect solution for revitalizing tired, dull hair. This mask works to repair damage and intensely moisturize. It leaves your hair feeling smoother and looking healthier. Whether your hair is curly, dry, or color-treated, this mask provides the care it needs. It refreshes and rejuvenates every strand. Rediscover the beauty of your hair with our intensive treatment. It's designed to bring back its natural shine and resilience. What we like. This mask uses keratin to repair damaged hair, providing deep hydration and moisturizing benefits. It's suitable for dry, curly, and color-treated hair, helping to refresh and restore. If your priority is intense hydration, repair for chemically treated hair, and maintaining color vibrancy, consider this option. What people say. This keratin hair mask works really well for deep conditioning. It leaves my hair feeling soft, hydrated, and much easier to manage. My hair has never been so healthy. It's smooth and shiny. This is by far the best one. Makes my hair soft and shiny. I've tried many hair masks to help repair dry, damaged hair from coloring. Number 1. Artnaturals Argan Hair Mask Conditioner. Introducing the Artnaturals Argan Hair Mask Conditioner, your solution for deeply conditioned hair. This treatment is designed to revitalize your locks. Experience a deep conditioning treatment like no other. It works to nourish and restore your hair's natural vitality. Enriched with organic jojoba oil, aloe vera, and keratin, this mask provides essential nutrients. These natural ingredients work together to improve hair health. Perfect for dry, damaged, or color-treated hair, it helps repair and rejuvenate. Achieve smoother, healthier-looking hair with consistent use. Support natural hair growth with this intensive formula. It creates an optimal environment for your hair to thrive. Our gentle, sulfate-free formula ensures effective care without harsh chemicals. It's safe for all hair types, promoting health and shine. What we like. Featuring organic jojoba oil, aloe vera, and keratin, this conditioner is a deep conditioning treatment. It's formulated to repair dry, damaged, and color-treated hair while promoting natural hair growth. If you prefer sulfate-free products with organic ingredients and are looking to restore your hair's natural health and vitality, this mask is a perfect fit. What people say. My hair felt softer and less dried out after the very first time that I used it. My hair was smoother, less frizzier after just a single use. It leaves my hair smooth, soft, and very easy to manage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.